I made some vegan Cajun Alfredo, so there's no meat. And it's made with, like, it's literally vegan actually. It's not vegetarian. I made it with a vegan Parmesan, coconut milk, and coconut water for the noodles. Artichoke, spinach, peppers, onions, mushroom, garlic, like, I'm just looking at it. Onion, and I used a purple onion because I like my stuff to look pretty, okay? And I used lentil noodles. I just got it on my pants. I need y'all to look. And I'm gonna take a bite, and we're gonna see how this goes. I'm nervous, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. When I put some spinach in there too. And like Himalayan salt, pepper. Everything I do it well. Stop. Oh my gosh. Like, you know, my noodles may be able to cook a little bit longer. Wow. I really do think that I am the best freaking cook in the whole... Oh, I put artichoke in there too. Like, I was not... Just look at it. Just look at it. Holy cow. Okay, so I almost made a video of me cooking it, but I'm like, what if it's nasty? Girl, ain't nothing I made nasty. Sorry you can hear me chewing. I hate hearing other people eat, so my hair looked like a dang mess. I'm gonna have to give y'all the recipe to this one.